Dear students, today I will explain exercise 6.1 of 9th class maths CBSE board. Okay, and here in this session what I will do, I will try to solve some of the problems from the exercise 6.1. Okay, so we'll first take a look at the first question from exercise 6.1. The first question is, there is a figure given. The figure is 6.13. We have a straight line AB, we have a straight line CD, and these two are intersecting each other at point O. Fine. Okay, and there is another line OE is also there. The question is, in figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Fine. So, we will proceed for the solution. Okay. We know, friends, students, we know AB is a straight line. Fine. And here we can write as, let me explain here, as AB is a straight line, and it's a, we can say that all the angles upon this straight line will be summed up to 180 degree. That means angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB equal to 180 degree. So we can write here angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB equal to 180 degree. These angles you can also read it as AOC or COA, same thing, COE or EOC, EOB or BOE, same thing. Fine. So this is our equation 1. Next, here it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. That means angle, just a minute, angle AOC plus BOC, angle AOC plus BOE, right? AOC plus BOE. These two angles are summed up to 70 degree. Fine. From equation 1, we can put the value of AOC and BOE from this. Because we know, given that AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree, that means AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree. So we can write here 70 degree by summing of these two angles plus COE, angle COE equal to 180 degree. The same thing I have written here from equation 1, 70 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. This implies we can find out the angle COE, and this is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. Fine. Okay, then we have to find out the reflex angle, that is reflex angle COE. We know that reflex angle can be found out by this formula, that means 360 degree minus angle COE, and angle COE's value we know, that is 110 degrees, so reflex COE will be 250 degree. Fine. Also, we know, that means it is given that angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Okay, and that means, just take a look, BOD equal to 40 degree, and as we can say this, we can see angle BOD and angle COA, these two are opposite angles because the straight line CD and AB are intersecting each other at point O. Fine. Okay. Next, so what we can write? We can write as angle BOD equal to 40 degree, angle COE is also equal to 40 degree. Fine. Now we will put the value, all the values that we got in equation 1, and we can find out something else. What? Equation 1 is angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB equal to 180 degree. So we can put here in place of AOC 40 degree because we found it out. Then COE is 100 degree, 110 degree, that also we found out, but we don't know what is angle BOE. So we can find out angle BOE from here, that is 180 degree minus 150 degree equal to 30 degree. Okay. So the question is, what is the question? Find BOE, angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE is 250 degree and angle BOE equal to 30 degree. Fine. So this way question number 1 is solved. Now we will move forward to question number 2. Take a look here. here the question given here is in figure 6.14. This is the figure 6.14. Fine. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2:3, find C. Fine. So what is the figure? Just we will have a look. Here there is a straight line XY, there is a straight line MN. These two are intersecting with each other at point O. And there is an angle POY which is of 90 degree. Okay. Which amounts to be 90 degree value. And here there are three angles. This is angle A, angle B and angle C. Now we will proceed to find out its solution because the question is find C. That means angle C we have to find out. Fine. Okay. Now the solution is here XOY is a straight line. We know that XOY is a straight line. The same formula will be put here, that angle A plus angle B plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. And angle POY is given as 90 degree. Okay. So we can write down angle A plus angle B equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. This is our equation 1. Okay. Next, given A is to B equal to 2:3, or we can write it as in the fractional form, that is A by B equal to 2/3. This implies we can write B equal to 3A/2, and this is our equation 2. Fine. Next, from equation 1 and equation 2, we can write down angle A equal to B, we know 90 degree minus 3A/2. So we will find, just solve it out, you can find A equal to 36 degree. Fine. From equation 2, we know that equation 2 says what? B equal to 3A/2, and here B equal to, or we can say, just a moment, I should write here from equation 1. Okay, this must be equation 1. Just a minute. Yeah, this is, sorry, I have, this is 2 is correct, this one must be 1. Okay, so sorry, it was a typo mistake. Okay, so from 1, that is equation 1, we know we can find out B equal to 90 degree minus A, and A we have found out that 36 degree. So angle B equal to 90 degree minus 36 degree equal to 54 degree. Fine. So from the figure we know that angle C and angle, we can say angle C and angle A plus angle POY are same. That means because straight line XY and straight line MN, okay, these two are intersecting each other. As they are intersecting each other, we know this one and this one is the opposite angles. These two are opposite angles. So in one side we can write angle A plus POY equal to angle C. Okay, and so we can write down that angle C equal to angle A plus angle POY, and these two are opposite angles. Okay, so we can write down here angle A equal to 36 degree and angle POY equal to 90 degree. So the summation will be 126 degree. So this way angle C is also found out. Okay, so please go through these two solutions. If you have any queries, any questions, please write down in the comment section and I will answer. Okay, and if possible, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.